Looks don't come just by makeup. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong against makeup. It adds value. It adds value to define your look a bit better. But a thing that's not right inside will show up through the makeup. What makes makeup shine and your face shine is the state of your consciousness and your mind. Which is why purity is so critical. Creating that pure consciousness, pure state of mind reflects in our looks, in our energy, in our words, in our actions, in our work, in our relationships, everywhere.